Hello students, today we will start worksheet 2 chapter 4. Question 1. Find the reciprocals of each of the following. Listen students, reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? You will know first of all it. Okay. Now suppose we are having P upon Q, its power M. If we find out its reciprocal, राइट, अगर हमें इसका रेसिप्रोकल फाइंड करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा Q अपॉन P रेज टू पावर M, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. बट द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इट कम्स. ये ऐसा आया कैसे? देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस, राइट. रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स वी विल राइट इट हियर लाइक दिस. ओके, राइट करेंगे. इट मीन्स P पावर M अपॉन Q पावर M. Q थर्ड नंबर है, यहाँ आएगा, राइट. Q पावर M अपॉन P पावर M. यहाँ P और Q पावर M, दिस इज सेम, राइट. दैट्स वाई वी विल राइट Q अपॉन P raised to power M. You find that this is the reciprocal of this, right? Now part 1, 12 raised to power 5. Now we find out its reciprocal, right? How we will write 1 upon 12 raised to power 5, right student? Now this is 1. Okay, we can write it 1 raised to power. How we can write? Listen students, 1 into 1. If we multiply this 1 by 5 times, अगर हम इस 1 को 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो क्या आता है? 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1. Right, means 1 raised to power 5, its value is 1. It means whenever we need in power of 1, 5, 3, 1 raised to power 6, 7, we can write it like, क्योंकि देखिए वैल्यू सेम है, हम ये राइट करें या ये. अगर हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है कि हम इसको ये राइट करें, वी कैन राइट इट. दैट्स वाई वी राइट इट हियर. ओके. नाउ the power of numerator and power of denominator is same, so we will write it here like this: 1 upon 12 raised to power 5. Okay, clear students? Listen, look here again. 12 raised to power 5, its reciprocal is 1 upon 12 raised to power 5. Okay, this is 1. our डिनोमिनेटर्स पावर इज़ 5. हम 1 को भी 1 रेज़ टू पावर 5 राइट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इसकी वैल्यू पर कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. दैट्स वाई वी राइट 1 रेज़ टू पावर 5. पावर ऑफ न्यूमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ इज सेम. दैट्स वाई वी विल राइट इट हेयर लाइक दिस. इन पार्ट 2, -9 रेज़ टू पावर 4. ओके, इट्स रेसिप्रोकल इज 1 अपॉन -9 raised to power 4, right students? 4 making the same power of numerator and denominator. We can write 1 raised to power 5, 4. Okay, -9 raised to power 4. Now the power of numerator and denominator both power is same. दोनों की पावर सेम है, इसलिए हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? राइट स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, और स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में -1 हमारा ऊपर भी आ सकता है, हम इसको ऐसे राइट कर सकते हैं. नाउ दिस इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ -9 रेज़ टू पावर 4. ओके, क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? एनी डाउट? लिसन स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ दिस इज थर्ड पार्ट. बिफोर डूइंग दिस पार्ट, लुक हियर. Reciprocal of 12 raised to power 5 is 1 upon 12 raised to power 5. Reciprocal of minus 9 raised to power 4 is minus 1 upon 9 raised to power 4. It means for finding the reciprocal of any given number, we will change the place of numerator and denominator. So, the reciprocal of 2 upon 7 raised to power 3. Its reciprocal is 7 upon 2 raised to power 3. Okay, students? In fourth part, the reciprocal of minus 3 upon 7 raised to power 7 is minus 7 upon 3 raised to power 7. Okay. Next, reciprocal of minus 1 upon 15 raised to power 8 is minus 15 upon 1 power 8. We can write it like minus 15 raised to power 8. There is no need to write 1 here. Now in 6th, reciprocal of minus 8 upon 13 raised to power 99 is minus 13 upon 8 raised to power 99. Reciprocal of 1 upon 10 raised to power 10 is 10 upon 1 raised to power 10. No need to write 1, okay? So its reciprocal is 10 raised to power 10. In 8th part, 2 upon 3 into 9 upon 4. Listen students, before finding its reciprocal, we will solve it, okay? 2 upon 3 into 9 upon 4, okay? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 3 ones are 3 threes are, means the fraction number is 3 upon 2. So now we will find out the reciprocal of 3 upon 2, and that is 2 upon 3. In this ninth part, 1 by 2 raised to power 2 into 4. First of all, we will solve it, okay, like 8th part. 1 by 2 raised to power 2 into 4. 1 by 2 is 2 times, okay. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 4. 2 ones are 2, cancel it with 2. What we get? 1 by 1, it means 1. And the reciprocal of 1 by 1, or you can say 1, is equal to 1. Now in 8th part, this is a statement minus into 7 upon 8 raised to power 2. Reciprocal minus 7 upon 8 raised to power 2 is, first of all, this sign is outside the bracket, put it firstly. Now change the sign of numerator and denominator. 8 upon 7 raised to power